Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to cover 10 essential phrases every tourist needs to know in English. Whether you're traveling for the first time or visiting a new destination, these simple phrases will help you communicate and navigate with ease. Let's get started. Phrase number 1. Excuse me, can you help me? This is the perfect phrase to use when you need assistance, whether it's finding directions or asking for advice. Excuse me, can you help me find the museum? Excuse me, do you know where the bus stop is? It's polite and helps you get the information you need. Phrase number 2. How much does this cost? Whether you're shopping or buying tickets, you'll need to ask about prices. Here's how to do that. How much does this cost? What's the price for this item? This phrase is essential when you want to check the price before purchasing something. Phrase number 3. Where's the nearest bathroom? When you're traveling, it's always good to know where the facilities are. Use this phrase to ask, where's the nearest bathroom? Is there a restroom nearby? It's a useful phrase that you'll need often while on the go. Phrase number 4. I'd like to order food/drink, please. At restaurants or cafes, this phrase will help you order what you need politely. I'd like to order a coffee, please. I'll have a cheeseburger, please. Adding please makes the request polite and friendly. Phrase number 5. Can you take a picture of me/us? To capture your travel memories, use this phrase when asking someone to take a photo. Can you take a picture of me, please? Could you take a picture of us? This helps you get great photos while traveling. Phrase number 6. Do you speak your language? If you're in an English-speaking country and prefer to communicate in your native language, this phrase is helpful. Do you speak Spanish? Do you speak French? If not, you can switch back to English. Phrase number 7. Where can I find location? This phrase is essential for asking directions to key places like hotels, landmarks, or stations. Where can I find the train station? Where is the hotel? It's useful when navigating a new area. Phrase number 8. What time does event/place open/close? To make sure you're not too early or late, this phrase helps you check the opening or closing time. What time does the museum open? When does the restaurant close? It helps you plan your activities efficiently. Phrase number 9. Can I get the bill, please? When you're done eating at a restaurant, this phrase will help you ask for the check. Can I get the bill, please? Check, please. It's a polite and simple way to finish your meal. Phrase number 10. How do I get to destination? If you're unsure how to reach a place, use this phrase to ask for directions. How do I get to the airport? How do I get to the city center? It's perfect for figuring out the best route to your next stop. Quick review. 10 phrases every tourist needs to know in English. With these 10 phrases, you'll be able to communicate easily and confidently as a tourist in English. Whether you're asking for help, ordering food, or navigating a new city, these essential expressions will make your travels smoother. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more practical English tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe travels and happy learning!